How to delete your YouTube channel using your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll show you how you can actually delete your YouTube channel using your phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So deleting a YouTube channel on your phone is fairly simple. You could also repeat this process whether you're on Windows or Mac, but I will simply show you the process from your mobile, because this process we're going to do it from our mobile browser. So first of all, I will go ahead and simply launch the Google Chrome application on my browser. Once I launch the Google Chrome app, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. What you have to do is, in the search box, you want to simply go to youtube.com, and then you want to put in /, then you again want to type in account_advanced. So I repeat that again, you have to simply go to youtube.com/account_advanced. I'll also make sure to leave this URL down in the description box. Once you've done that, what you have to do is basically tap on the go button. And after that, you have to make sure that you are logged in with your YouTube account. If you're not logged in, you'll not see this kind of interface. So in my case, you're seeing this kind of interface because I'm logged in. Now, if I go ahead and show you clearly, at the very top of the screen, you'll be able to see a bunch of these options. If I zoom in and just show you as well, you'll find this section which says delete channel, and you have to simply tap on this button which says delete your channel or deleting your content. Want to close your Google account, but you can simply tap on delete channel button. Once you tap on the delete channel button, you can see it says me to verify with my password first of all. So I'm going to go ahead and then simply enter my passcode in order to verify the deletion. Once I've entered my password, I'm going to basically tap on the next button. As soon as you tap on the next button, you'll be able to see all these options. You have options such as whether you want to hide your channel or whether you want to permanently delete your content. Tap on a permanently delete and you'll be able to see all of this. You can select all of the following: your playlist, subscriptions, comments that you ever made in YouTube, your replies, thumbs up and comments, your YouTube gift settings, and your search and watch history is going to be deleted, as well as any of the paid subscriptions which you have. After that, all you have to do is tap on the delete my content button, which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is how you can delete your YouTube channel using your mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.